In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-duck music under dialogue in Premiere Rush. If you've ever tried creating video content with a catchy background track only to find that it drowns out your precious dialogue, today's lesson is exactly what you need. Auto-ducking is a feature that will automatically lower the volume of your background music whenever dialogue is present, ensuring that your viewers hear every word you say crystal clear while still enjoying your music. To start, let's set the scene right within Premiere Rush. Open your project and make sure you have at least two distinct audio layers or tracks in your timeline. The first track should be dedicated to your voice or dialogue. This is the track where all your spoken content is. Next, you'll want another track specifically for your background music. This separation is crucial because, without it, the auto-ducking feature won't be able to distinguish between the two audio sources. With your tracks set, go ahead and select your dialogue or voice audio clip. Now, look for the audio panel usually located on the right side of the interface. You'll want to set the type of this track to voice, sometimes labeled as dialogue. By doing this, you signal to Premiere Rush that this is the foreground audio, the part that should stand out, and the software will use this information to adjust the levels precisely when we apply auto-ducking. Next, shift your focus over to the music track. Once again, open up the audio panel, but this time head to the Advanced section or a similar setting. Here, you'll find the option to set the type to music, which differentiates it from any other sound elements you might have. This action tells the software that this audio will serve as background and needs to have its volume adjusted in response to the dialogue. Moving forward, look for an option within the advanced audio settings of your music track called Auto-Duck or Auto-Ducking. You'll want to check or toggle this on. What this does is allow the software to automatically modulate the volume of this music track based on the presence of dialogue. Essentially, you're telling Premiere Rush to automatically lower the music whenever you speak and bring the volume back up during pauses or at the end of your dialogue. The last part of this process is to simply sit back and let technology do the work. Play back your project to see the magic of auto-ducking in action. As your dialogue comes through, your music should gracefully decrease in volume. And as the dialogue ends or pauses, you'll hear the music swell back up naturally. And there you have it. With these steps, you can make sure your audience gets the full experience of what you're saying without any background music intruding on your dialogue. Happy editing, and remember, in every project, clarity is key.